What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing my cold air intake that I've been having sitting for about, I think, 2 weeks since I ordered them, got them, came in. Only reason why they've been sitting is because, as you guys know, it is about that time of the year where it's like, if you living in a cold state, like you should know what I'm talking about. Like, it's cold outside. Right now it's about 30 degrees right now, so it's cold though, but the sunlight is out. It is a non-rainy day, so I'm gonna try to install my cold air intake today. Well, I'm not gonna try because I'm tired of having it sit in my storage room pretty much, and I should have been put that on my car though, but just the fact that daylight saving and the fact that it's freezing cold outside. So today I ain't got a choice. Today it's a little bit nicer outside, sunny outside, so it ain't the best temperature, but I think I got a plan on how I'm gonna try to get it installed on my car. So right now I'm heading home, so I'm gonna show you guys pretty much. I think I'll show you guys what's in the box already, so I'm gonna show you guys what's in there. Don't really need to. This is not a how-to, so I'm gonna be showing some steps and then pretty much going from there. So yeah, that's it. All right, y'all, so finally about to get this bad boy out of here. So I got the clips taken out from on both sides over here. So this is like a whole one piece. Once you loosen this up, this is a little bit tight on there. Just got to be able to pull it off, and that'll be it. So I'm about to take that off, trying to find a way to set my camera. Couple seconds later, got that out. As you guys can see, it is dusty as hell back here. It's a very easy step, so gotta do this now. I'm about to get something to, obviously I'm about to cover that up just so nothing goes there. All right, y'all, got the old parts out. Gotta take some parts off. These little pieces, gotta take them off and be able to put it onto the new ones where the hose is at. Not every hose gonna have them though. I believe I'm supposed to leave this one, but this is not clarified. This is not a how-to. Pretty much, it's me showing you guys exactly. Check out that huge space. It's crazy how much space this stuff take up, but yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, y'all, this shit took mad effing long. No lie, it took me at least an effing hour, almost 2 hours to try to get this to fit on. The little piece down there, you gotta wiggle it, but this is it. Show you guys how it look. Just know if you're gonna do this, be willing to take your time out and definitely do it. Make sure everything is nice and tight. All right, about to start her up. That should be it. Start up, running nice and smooth. About to do a test drive. Not gonna lie, this took some time, but I'm doing a test drive. Every time I install some kind of parts, whatever parts you install, do yourself, always good for you to do a test drive and see how everything runs. I'm about to do that right now. About to take her around the block, see how she drives. Man, I've been waiting to install this on my truck for a long time. Now I'm finally about to see how it actually feels. Oh yeah. Gotta turn my lights on. Definitely move a little bit quicker, I must say. Way more responsive like on the throttle. Not trying to make this up, but definitely does move a lot quick than what it was before. Yeah, she definitely get up there. Definitely move quick. Yeah, this thing definitely moves, y'all. I definitely could feel the difference, like way much smoother, like way better. Like she moving how she's supposed to move, like cause she's getting better, cooler air. Damn, I can't even, I'm so excited I can't even get the words out of my mouth. Yeah, she's definitely moving a lot better. Oh, and this is my turn. Gotta spin the block. Boom. Definitely moving a lot better. And what I noticed too, I definitely recommend you this. If you still have your stock cold air intake, because it's like a huge box. Definitely, if you don't have, obviously if you're not replacing it, definitely every once in a while when you replace your filter, clean out the inside of it, because it's mine. When I checked the inside of mine, it was a lot of dirt sitting on the inside, almost like somebody poured some dirt in there, which wasn't anything crazy though. But always when you replace your filter, always try to clean the inside of your cold air intake box, the stock one of course. Clean the inside. But I was kind of shocked seeing that much dirt being in there. But yeah, she definitely moved a lot quick. But I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, how really hard is like doing this yourself, and then you trying to do it within a certain time because of daylight saving. So I started doing this around like 3:50, and normally sunset I think like 4 or 5. So it was kind of getting dark outside, so I didn't really get done till like now. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard this really is, for me, I say it was like a 3. So 3 being, well, the higher I go being the hardest. So I said 3. It's really easy for you to do if you got the patience. And one thing too, I didn't have all my right tools, so I had to use most of my hand tools, like a screwdriver, instead of me using like an impact wrench or gun, whatever you want to call it. But she definitely moved a lot faster, I said. Definitely does move a lot faster. So that's a huge plus. Huge plus, I'll say. Yeah, this thing move up though. Definitely. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys find, like I said, this was not a how-to, this and that. I don't normally do that, but I just show a little bit of stuff taking it off. But that's definitely gonna be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.